In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alor Broker in Tradingview. Let's get started right from the Tradingview interface. First, make sure you're on a chart, not just the home page or an ideas page. If you're on the home page, click on any symbol and choose the option to open it in a full-featured chart. This is important because broker connections are managed directly from the chart view, not from other sections of the platform. Once your chart is open and fully loaded, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading section. Here, you'll find a tab called Trading Panel. Go ahead and click that. The Trading Panel is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and paper trading options, and it's the place you'll always come back to if you want to switch brokers later on. After you open the Trading Panel, you may only see a few brokers at first, usually the most popular or the ones you've used recently. To view the full list, look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click it. This expands the panel and reveals every broker that Tradingview currently supports for your region and account type. If you don't see your broker right away, don't worry. This step ensures that the full catalogue is visible. Now, in that expanded list, scroll through until you find Alor Broker. The brokers are typically displayed with their logos and names, so take a moment to locate Alor carefully. If Tradingview offers a search field in your version, you can also type the broker's name there to find it faster. When you see Alor Broker, click on it to select it as the broker you want to connect. After clicking Alor Broker, you'll see an option to connect. Go ahead and click Connect. At this point, Tradingview will usually open a login window or redirect you through a secure connection to Alor's authentication page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your brokerage credentials and confirm any permissions needed to link your trading account to Tradingview. Make sure you're using your official, secure login page and double-check the URL if your browser opens a new window. Once you successfully log in and authorize the connection, Tradingview will link your Alor account to the chart. You should then see your account details, available balance, and the ability to place orders directly from the Tradingview interface. And that's it. You've connected Alor Broker in Tradingview and you're ready to trade straight from your